Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your status in Google Chat, the full 2026 version. Google updates this stuff all the time, so this should help you keep things clear for your coworkers or friends. All right, let's get into it. So first, just sign into your Google account like you normally do. Once you're in, open Google Chat, either from chat.google.com or from the little chat icon inside Gmail. Both work the same. Now look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. That opens your status menu, the place where you control what people see about your availability. From here, you'll see a few options: active, do not disturb, and set away. If you choose do not disturb, your notifications pause until the time you select. Away shows when you've been inactive for a while, but you can set it manually too. And if you want to be a bit more specific, you can create a custom status. Just click add a status, type whatever you want, like working on something or be right back, and choose an emoji. You can even set it to reset automatically after a certain amount of time. If you're on your phone, the process is basically the same. Open the Google Chat app, tap your profile picture in the top right, and choose your status. Everything syncs instantly across your devices. So yeah, pretty convenient. And that's pretty much it. Changing your status in Google Chat for 2026 is super simple once you know where everything is. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming guides. Thanks for watching.